Hi, welcome to the Gen 5 Runner channel. Today's video is a walk around of a beast of a power wagon that came to our rally in Big Bend National Park. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, and if you do, please remember to subscribe. Morning. This power wagon is affectionately called the Redneck. It's a 1959 body on a modified 1995 chassis. The power plant is a 12-valve, 5.9-liter Cummins turbo diesel that generates about 325 horsepower and 610 pound-feet of torque. The frame was shortened 3.5 feet, and the motor mounts are pushed back 8 inches to accommodate the intercooler. The drivetrain has 1 1/4 inch chrome moly axles, a Dana 80 on the rear, and a Dana 60 on the front with Yukon lockouts. The transmission is a 5-speed NV 4500. There are ARB air lockers front and rear with an onboard air system. The Redneck wears 40-inch Interco IROC mud tires with a full-size spare on a custom swing out. This beast has prolific forward lighting, low and high beams, yellow floodlights, worn driving lights, and an LED light bar. Oh, and let's not forget the 16,500-pound worn winch. When you look into the cockpit, you find a quintessential man cave. There's a CB radio, GPS, and even a monitor for a camera in the front grille. The headliner and sun visors are upholstered with hair-on skins mic harvested, and behind the hand cranks for the windows, the doors are nicely upholstered with whole whitetail skins. Continuing along the passenger side of the truck, first we find a jerry can that's been converted into a toolbox, and then the ubiquitous farm jack or high lift jack. There's also a ladder to provide access to the rooftop. Next we find 2 conveniently located waterproof bags with chairs and a grill. Continuing around to the rear, we find a custom swing out with full-size spare, lug wrench, floor jack, and on the inside, the handle for the floor jack and a fold-down table. The truck bed has plenty of space for storage of gear and even a cot. The whole thing topped off with a custom camper shell and a Tepui rooftop tent. Continuing on to the driver's side, we find a rear-facing floodlight, a quick connect for the compressed air system, and a battery-powered jump start pack. There's a shovel, and an axe, and a 5-gallon water jug.
Is a beast.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Oh, and if you did, please click on the subscribe button to show your support for our efforts. If you'd like to see other videos that we've done, just mash on the playlist. No matter where your adventures take you, arrive safe and leave clean. Cheers!